Hello everyone, today we'll import a payroll data with a payroll voucher. First, we have to open a software, Excel Tally 9.9, open application file, select a company, from company list. After selecting a company, we have to prepare an Excel sheet for a payroll data. First, open payroll folder, open payroll voucher template. In a template, we have to put the data of a payroll. First, clear a sheet, then click on open your file button and select the file which you want to import in a Tally. Currently, I have some sample data with me, so I'll just import that data, employee data, and after selecting a file, we need to select a sheet. This payroll voucher data is starting from second line and ending at 15th row. We can verify this, starting at second line and ending at 15th row. Then after that, we have to click on Start Mapping button. As we do this, we'll get a drop down box here for the mapping. This is our smart mapping function to do the map. Using mapping function, we have to do the mapping. After doing a mapping, click on Import Data button to get a data from your sample file to the data. Now here we got the data in an Excel sheet. First, define a voucher type, that is payroll. If you have any custom voucher type under payroll category, then define the same voucher type which you have in a Tally. After that, we have to create this salary payable account under bank account. If you have already created account, then just define that account name here. I have already created this ledger under bank account, so I'll not create this ledger again. Next, we have to give the heads. For a heads, just click on this button, create head. Then it will copy the head which you define here. I'll just highlight the heads by yellow color. Whatever you define here will be considered as a head and it will be copied in front of every amount if you click on this create head button. Here we got the headers in front of every amount. Now whichever amount you want to deduct, just give a minus sign to that particular amount. Currently I want to deduct this PF, so I'll just define a minus sign in front of every amount. Means I'll take an amount in a negative and then I'll import this data. Here our file is ready. First, save this file. Go to the software, go to the option of payroll, click on payroll voucher and select the same payroll file. Payroll voucher, click on open, click on yes. Now it will import our data and it has created 14 payroll voucher entries. We'll check these entries in a Tally. Here we can check the 14 entries which we have done now. Display, payroll report, payroll register. In August month we have done the 14 entries. Just check the entries. Here we have successfully imported payroll voucher entries. Likewise, you can also import your payroll voucher entries. Thank you for watching.